Are you lady boy?
Maybe.
What makes you mommy?
I don't know if I can show you that in public.
Can I riz you?
Sure, do you want to?
But how are people going to riz you with this thing right here? Riz.
Any last questions? Anything you want to tell the world?
In Akihabara, there is a femboy cafe, a boy cross-dressing maid cafe that you can find on the inside. It's called the, what was it? New Type? New Type.
Thank you so much for the recommendation. Yeah. I'll be going. Where are you from?
Friends.
Do you think French people cheat a lot?
I think so, yes.
Have you ever cheated? Have you ever cheated? Have you ever cheated?